hope this inspires you to get out there and just have fun. Who's ready for a little dancing and a little cleaning and even a little snacking? Come along with me. Welcome. My name's Emily, and this is your second bloom. And my channel is for those of us who are a little older but who want to keep growing. And I try to make videos that show ways of coming out of your shell a little bit and making your days a little bit brighter. And in this video, I decided I was going to have a cleaning day. I was going to clean my upstairs, my bathroom, my bedroom, and my living room, and do it in a way that could be joyful. So if this is something that's interesting to you, stay tuned and we can clean together. I hope you enjoy and come along with me. Here I am cleaning my bedroom, but by this point, my dancing kind of stopped. I did not film me crawling on the floor under my sofas, cleaning with soapy water, and I was sopping wet by this point, so I kind of stopped my dancing, but I was still enjoying. I really love having a clean house, so it felt really good at this point. It was one of the last things I had to clean. So no dancing in this one, but up until this point I did, and I tired myself out. So I had a wonderful time. And here is my clean living room. I did not show myself under the sofas. Here is my clean bedroom, the last room I cleaned, and I already showed you my bathroom. And now I get to reward myself by making some coffee. And here it is, delicious, and having, if you guys have never had these ginger snaps, you must get them. They are so delicious. I only got 3 for myself. I have to, they're kind of addictive, so I got some for myself, and now I get to sit there, drink my coffee, and eat my ginger snaps. Thank you for being here with me, and I hope you enjoyed.
showered, dressed, I've got my coffee, and I'm ready to sit down and read and have my cookies. I am so glad you joined me today. I hope you had a nice time with me, and I hope this inspires you to get out there and just have fun in your daily lives, even with chores and things we have to do. It's much more fun to do them while having a blast. So for me, as I got older, I seemed to be going into my shell a little more, but I don't want to be doing that anymore, and I want to be growing. So I hope this showed you that we can all grow together and dance our chores away. I hope you had a wonderful time, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.